Welcome back, students. So today I'll tell you one more type of visual representation of data, and that is a pie chart. So here I'll take one example and then I'll explain how we draw pie chart of any given data. The question is, on a particular day, the sales in rupees of different items of a baker's shop are given below. Ordinary bread, $3.20, fruit bread, 80, cakes 160, biscuits 120, others is 40. And now we can write the total. You simply add them. 320 plus 80 is 400, 560, it's 720. The total is 720. Now we will calculate the central angle for all these things. Now, to find the central angle, all of you know that in a circle about the center, the total angle is 360 degrees. Now, and here the total is 720. So 720 is equivalent to 360 degree. Then what would be the angle for 320? So what we do, see, central angle for ordinary bread. Central angle for ordinary bread. So what we do, the total angle about a point is 360 divided by this total, that is 720, multiplied by, for ordinary bread it is 320, so you multiply it by 320. Clear? Now what happens? You can see it is 160 degree. So the central angle for ordinary bread is 160 degree. Now central angle for fruit bread will be equal to, once again, 360 upon 720 into 80. So 40 degree. The central angle for fruit bread is 40 degrees. Now central angle for cakes 360 upon 720 into 160. So it is 80 degrees. Then central angle for biscuits will be 360 upon 720 into 120. When you solve, it is 60 degrees. The central angle for biscuit will be 60 degrees, and then central angle for others 360 upon 720 into 40, which is equal to 20 degrees. So you can see we have found the central angle of all the commodities, all the types, and now always make sure that when you add all the central angles, the sum must be equal to 360 degrees. So you can see it is here 160 plus 40, 200 plus 80, 280 plus 60 is 340 plus 20 is 360. The sum is 360. Now what we do, you make a circle using a compass and then draw one of its radius like this. Now using your protractor, first angle is 160. So from here you will draw 160, which is almost like this. This angle will be 160 degree. Now the next angle is 40. So from here, from this line, the angle should be 40 degree. Okay. The third angle is 80. So this is around 80. You will draw them using protractor, so your angles will be accurate. And after that it is 60. And the remaining one will automatically be 20. Okay. Now this is ordinary bread. Now this is fruit bread. This is cakes. This is biscuits. And this is others. Okay. Now you can shade them also. You can shade these regions using different colored pencils. Or so this is your pie chart, and you can see using this pie chart, it is very clear that the sale of the ordinary bread is maximum and the sale of others is minimum. So again, it's a visual representation that gives you a clear picture of the sale of various items over here. Okay. Now we'll do the next question. The next question is, the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Languages Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali. Number of students 40, 12, 9, 7, 4, and if you find the total 40 and 12, 52 and 9, 61 and 7, 68 and 4, 72. Total number of students in the hostel is 72. Now draw a pie chart. So you have to draw a pie chart. Now what we do, first of all we will find the central angle. So for the first one, 360 upon 72, the total, into 40. So you can see the angle is 200 degree. Now the next one, 360 upon 72 into 12. This 60 degree. The next angle is 60 degree. Next is 360 upon 72 into 9. That is 45 degree. So the next angle will be 45 degree. Then 360 upon 72 into 7. 35 degree. The next angle is 35 degree. And the last one, $20. The last one is 20 degree. Now I told you, whenever you find the central angle of all the different values of x, now the sum of the central angles should be equal to 360. So 200 plus 60, 260 plus 45, 305 plus 35 will be 340 plus 20 is 360. So you can see the total angle is coming out to be 360. If the angle is any different, the sum is any different from 360, that means you must have made any mistake. Now what we do, we draw a circle using compass and draw one of its radius. That is the center of the circle. Draw one of its radius. Now the first angle that you have to make is 200. So this angle will be 200. The next angle is 60, means this is 60 degree. Okay. The next angle is 45. Next angle is 35, and the last one is 20 degree. So you will draw these angles using protractor, so your angle will be accurate. Now the first sector is, you can write Hindi here. Okay. The next one is English. Then the third one is Marathi. The fourth one is Tamil. And the fifth one is Bengali. So in this way we can represent a data in form of a bar graph or a histogram, or we can represent the data in a pie chart. Okay, so always remember the total frequency. In case of a pie chart, the total frequency we equate it to 360 degree, because the total angle about a point is 360 degree, and while drawing the pie chart, we assume that the total frequency or the sum of frequencies is equivalent to the total angle around a point, which is 360 degree. So by equating, you have to find the central angles. Now in your examination you have to show this working, the central angle. Obviously if it is a multiple choice question type question paper, you don't have to show these workings, because only the answers will be checked. But whenever there is a proper exam that is conducted in a classroom, you have to show these workings, because they also carry marks. You have to show how you calculated the central angle of various sectors. Clear? So this is pie chart. So from the next class, we'll start some revision for your online tests.